from Pat Cummins, and it caught Kingkohli out. I think he was predicting a shorter ball. I mean, even the full ball, I reckon, dedication to fitness and performances. Shows him still being hungry. I know that in India, there's a tour in New England, and so many people became aware of him and in IPL performances, but to the rest of the world, we really didn't know as much as
slightly shortened leg and she...
A very straight line at Virat Kohli here. Not the first time today. We've got 7 fielders on one side of the wicket, though on this occasion it's 7 fielders on the leg side. Leg slip, short leg, man on the drive, square leg, man on 45, and mid on and with the kid back. So, there aren't that many. Look at Mitchell Stark with the back, for example. I mean, there aren't that many naturally born cricketers that can't do a bit of the other discipline. It's just that it gets ignored as you develop as a bowler. You've got to spend all your time bowling, whereas as a batsman, you're going to go in the nets and bowl at other batsmen a bit. You know, we've seen Marnus Labuschagne in this test match got 5, so 84 runs in that session, and that has taken the lead to 405, still with 5 of their wickets in hand.